guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to backup and restore your file setting apps using OneDrive on Windows 11. Okay, so this is the new update rolling out for Windows 11 PC. For this guys, if you want to take this all backup, just open your Windows settings, hold Windows key button and then press I from your keyboard. This is the shortcut key to open these settings. In the settings, in the left panel here, you can get the option accounts. Just click and open it. Okay, and here in the right panel guys, scroll down slightly. Here you can get the option Windows backup. Just click on it. Okay, like this. And here, if you are not signed in with your Microsoft account on your Windows 11, it will ask you sign in with the Microsoft account. After this guys, here it will get you this type of screen interface. So just click on manage sync settings like this, and it will open the new window on your screen. As you can see guys, backup folder on this PC. Just need to enable this folder which you want to backup, like document, picture, desktop, music, videos. Okay, and enable this and then click on save changes. That's it. Okay, also here you can get the option remember the app, remember the settings. Just need to check the dialog box and just click on start backup. That's it. Now it will backup your files, apps, settings on the Windows 11 OneDrive. Okay, so this is the very nice and very useful feature. In case this feature is missing on your PC, at that time you need to update your PC. In the Windows settings, go to Windows update and just click on check for updates and update your PC. That's it. Okay, so that's it for today guys, the short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.